everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 10 different ways that you can make your home feel cozy for Christmas. I love the concept of hygge. So it's a Danish term that essentially means coziness of the soul. It's more than just physical coziness, but it's like surrounding yourself with friends and family and feeling so content. I've read a couple books on hygge. I will leave them down in the description box below if you're interested in this concept. I also have a free printable on my blog with kind of some hygge essentials. I'm going to link that down below as well. You just have to sign up to my newsletter and you get that for free. There's a few things that you can do to make your home feel cozy and warm and welcoming for Christmas for not only you and your family, but any guests that you want to have into your home. So today I want to share with you 10 different ways to make your home feel Christmas cozy. The first way to make your home feel cozy at Christmas is to bring the outside in. Adding natural elements to your decor like pine cones, antler sheds, tree clippings, and twigs is a wonderful and inexpensive way to make your home feel rustic and warm. I love to add simple evergreen branches and pine cones to our Christmas displays to give them fullness and life on a budget. Number 2 is add a ton of twinkle lights. I don't think you can ever have enough twinkle lights or fairy lights in your home for the holidays, and I even love them after Christmas too when it's so cold and dreary outside. Tiny little lights everywhere make your home feel magical and soft, and there's nothing quite like turning all the overhead lights off and enjoying the lights from the Christmas tree and the twinkly vignettes during a chilly winter evening. You can find inexpensive LED string lights at the dollar store or many department stores. The third tip for a cozy Christmas is to layer up. When it comes to the colder winter months, adding more layers to your decor with extra blankets, pillows, and rugs is a great way to not only make your home feel physically warmer, but visually warmer as well. I love the look of rugs layered on top of each other or additional pillows and throws on sofas and chairs. Number 4, keep warm drinks at hand. Try adding a little hot chocolate or coffee station on a surface in your home to be able to serve warm drinks at any time of day. This is a treat for not only guests that come to your home over the holidays, but for your family as well after a chilly day at work or school. I have a delicious pumpkin spice chai tea latte recipe in a previous video, and I will link that down in the description box below. Number 5 to create a cozy Christmas home is to create a conversation area. Now, I realize not everyone loves this look. I've had comments about this in the past, but I personally adore a cozy seating arrangement with sofas and chairs that are rather close together in a room. I think creating an intimate conversation area by leaving less space between pieces feels so warm and cozy, and I think it helps encourage conversation. Our living room furniture is grouped in the center of our space, and I think it makes for a truly inviting atmosphere for our family and for our guests. Number 6, light a fire. While LED twinkle lights can provide a warm feeling without a flame, there's certainly nothing like a true fire to create that cozy feeling. Light a fire in your fireplace if you have one. I love the soothing sound of a crackling fireplace, or light a grouping of candles in a safe spot in your home to provide a very similar effect. Now guys, speaking of cozy fires, I've put up a 2-hour-long crackling fireplace video with calming jazz music right here on my YouTube channel. I'm uploading it hopefully the same time as I'm uploading this video, just for you to enjoy this Christmas season. You can put it on, listen to the music, and just relax. It's a full 2 hours long, so I will link to that somewhere down in that description box below as well. The 7th tip to create a cozy Christmas in your home is to pile on the textures. No matter your color scheme, whether it's neutrals or brights, you can create a cozy feeling in your home this season by using lots of textures in your decor. So this year I went with a more neutral decor theme for my Christmas living room because of our new colorful sofa, but I tried to add a lot of textures to keep everything feeling really warm. So look for a variety of textures in pillows, drapes, furniture, accessories, and blankets like faux fur, velvet, fringes, pom-poms, distressed wood, and faux leather. Number 8 is don't forget music. The right music can create the perfect mood in your home, especially during the holidays. I love to use my Google Home and cast calming Christmas music from my Google Play stations to my home and add a festive atmosphere to our space. I'll leave some of my favorite Google Music stations down in the description box below. The 9th tip to create a cozy Christmas home is to add all of that greenery. So similar to adding in different natural elements, including a lot of greenery, whether it's real or faux, into your home decor over the holidays, is quite a wonderful way to make it feel lush and welcoming. So you can keep your houseplants in the mix like I did this Christmas season, and then just add those layers of green garlands on several surfaces in your home, as well as little green picks or even greenery from outside as well. So I've added a garland on our mantle, I layered a couple different garlands together, and I even wrapped our light fixture in a faux spruce and eucalyptus garland as well. And the final tip to creating a cozy Christmas home this season, number 10, is to personalize it. So adding little things that give your home personality and charm is such a great way to make people feel at home in your space. So leave out some crafts or little craft supplies that are cute and warm that you're working on, like a knitting project or an embroidery project. Add monograms or names to your stockings or other elements in your space, or put an interesting item on your coffee table that's personal to you and your family to invite conversation and let your guests know a little more about you and your family. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the description box below what you think of these 10 tips, and do you have any tips that you want to add on how you can make your home feel cozy for yourself, for your family, and for any guests that come over the next few months for the holiday season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm going to link to some more videos that I hope you'll enjoy right up here.